Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy AM coming to you with an unboxing video. Right the camera. We have a special unboxing for you today. We're gonna be opening up the Corsair Virtuoso. My gaming PC is gonna get up another level in its power. So we're gonna be unboxing this video for you and let you know what is inside. See you in a bit. Yo, we have a new knife here. This is from my cousin. Gave me this ultra fatty knife here to open up anything that stands in our way. So today what we have is the Corsair Virtuoso RGB wireless headset. And this is for my PC, leveling this boy up to the next form. And right now we're going to be cracking this box open and letting you know what's inside. Like I said, this is for the Corsair PC RGB wireless. I really wanted an RGB headset that's kind of like gonna go with my RGB themed battle station. So I'm super excited about this to see what's inside, what it comes with it. Shout out to Hardware Canucks. They are the one that recommended the glossy black version as opposed to the special edition, which is that nicer chrome look to it. So just going based off the recommendation is the reason why I picked this one up instead of the special edition. They said this is the best version to get, so I'm gonna believe them. But I'll let you know if they're right or wrong, but I just think they have a good grasp on a lot of things. So let's just keep going. This is the side of the box here. We have these cool little sound equalizer right there with Corsair in the gloss on the matte black box. So right here we have a better picture of the headsets. Premium looking, looks amazing. And then right here we have all the instructions. It's powered by RTX. Side of the box. Underneath you get all the specs. Anything notable is that it comes with a Type-C connection on the headset. And also comes with an omnidirectional microphone so that it picks up everything all around you, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I'm super excited to open this up. So there's some plastic here on the side. Let's see how sharp this knife is. Wow, that knife is super sharp. So, ooh, look at it, it's cut right into that box. Wow. This knife is super sweet. Cool. So we opening up this headset to see what we're gonna have inside. Did I do it right? Oh yeah. So I'm pulling this out. We'll toss that to the side. Right here we have the Corsair logo. It says do your thing. Notifications on the phone. We have the Corsair logo here. It's all black. Pulling off the top to see what we have here inside. We have the headset. First thing that's notable is at the top of the headband has this fake leather that feels very premium. Has a soft memory gel inside of it. Here on the sides we have the Corsair logo, that's RGB. And the clamps that are connecting into the 50mm drivers is metal, which feels really nice, really sexy. And the little foam pads are also protected by these plastic little straps here. Foam pads are all feels the same as the headband, very premium. Feels like leather, has a soft memory gel that's inside of it. Very round cups, pretty nice looking. Should fit on your ears pretty well. Over the ear type of a headset. Here on the side we have the gloss look of the headset, but let's pull off this tab. Ooh, super clean, super sick. Yeah. As you know, with most gloss things you get fingerprints on that. Most people prefer like a matte color to their headset. I kind of go in the middle between the matte look of it. The problem with that is if you have like greasy fingers and you have like a matte finish on the headset and you touch it, it leaves a grease stain on the matte finish. With gloss, all you have to do is wipe it off and it's super clean. So I can see why they went with the gloss, But the problem with that though, it does leave fingerprints on it as well. So I don't know. It's a bit different. So that's what I'm trying to think. That is pretty awesome. Hold on, I'm gonna turn off this notification thing. Okay. That notification thing was bugging me the crap out of me. But we turned it off, so we're back to this unboxing of this amazing Corsair. Woohoo! Pulling it out, we're gonna see what additional goodies that are inside. Oh, this cardboard boxing is kind of terrible. It's ripped right off the rip. Cool. So we're opening it up, looking inside. We got the instructions, we got the cables, and all the additional stuff. And then we also got the little gel packet. Is there anything in this bottom box? Nope, nothing there, nothing there. Okay, let's see. We'll just toss that to the side and let's just keep looking at this stuff. I like the design and construction of this. This is what kind of led me going towards this headset. Right now I'm rocking the SteelSeries Siberia 800s. That's like an old model. And I just want something that's a little bit more premium, something that's RGB, so it looks nice with my gaming PC. And this is going to fit that build pretty nicely. These things light up here. It's going to be pretty sick. And then what we have here is the microphone, which attaches to the headset, so you can have some decent comms going on when you're playing your game. So we'll just plug that into the port there. It connects. There's a little button for the mute. This articulates the way you want it to be. Right here we have the volume rocker. It's made out of this really nice metal. And then we have a switch from hardwire to wireless. That's pretty sweet. Setting up your headset's pretty easy. Right here we have the wireless dongle that you plug into your PC, and that should connect the wireless aspects to that. And then you also get a cable, braided cable, which is nice. You get the USB-A to USB-C, which charges up the headset here with the USB-C port on the bottom. I hope everything goes to USB-C in the future. And then right here we have a 3mm audio jack for those who are analog enthusiasts. So let's open up this package here to see what we have inside. Typically we don't look at the instructions because we just know how it works innately because we're gamers. Gamers know what is up with all this tech stuff. Yeah, some boring instructions. We don't need to read that. Same thing there. Toss that to the side. So let's look at this instruction book right here and see what we have. It tells you how to hook it up. Cheap. No stickers. I wish there were some stickers in there. I mean, that's just a little thing, but I like it. So that's pretty much it for this Corsair Virtuoso wireless RGB headset. I'm pretty excited to check this out. I like the look and feel of this headset. It feels very nice. It feels very premium, feels luxurious. Some of the things I don't like from off the rip is that this thing is not retractable. Yes, you can take it off by pulling it out of its thing, but for the most part, it'd be nice to like just have it all kept in one place. The thing that I don't like too much on my headsets is this like having to like have different places to hold your things. So like for example, the audio cable, it'd just be nice to have, you know, all in one thing. But I understand that an audio cable and then this powering cable are two different things, but it'd be nice to kind of have something that would connect it to so you don't have too many pieces. Wireless dongle is pretty sweet, gives you that slipstream speed so you have pretty accurate sound. They also say that with this headset here, that if you plug it into the USB port, you'll get higher quality audio frequency, so that means you get high quality sound. And supposedly it sounds really, really good. I did some some sound tests of it when I was perusing through Best Buy and checking out the audio quality of it, and I liked it quite a bit, and so that's made me want to pick up this headset. And usually Corsair does a really good job on a lot of their gaming components. They feel really nice, they feel real high quality, and sometimes they just don't make the right decisions, but according to this headset, I do really like the look of it, the feel, and also the implementation of the RGB. If they did like a bigger ring on the sides, it probably would drain a lot of batteries, but since it's like small and cute, I think the battery life on this thing is like 20 hours, which is pretty nice. So that's it for this Corsair Virtuoso RGB wireless headset. If you like what you see, you better hit that thumbs up button. If you love it, hit the sub button. And if you want to see another unboxing, just let me know in the comment section. The comment section. Other than that, we'll be back with more cool unboxings. Peace.